So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of particle animation with using Trapcode plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition and composition name anything. Guys, duration use 30 seconds is good. So press OK. Yeah. So guys, I take new solid layer and solid layer like name particles 1. That's my particle 1 layer. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select this layer and apply Trapcode particular this one. Yeah, and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple, right? Okay, so guys, now I go on emitter and see guys, that's my particles. Particle I like guys 500. Enter. Yeah, and guys, emitter type I use box this one. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yeah, that's simple. Okay, so guys, now I change velocity. So velocity this one velocity I like 0. Yeah, and emitter size this one I like 1500. Yeah, it's good. So play. Yeah, really good. Okay, so guys, now I change also one more setting. So emission extra this one, and pre-run guys I take like 50% is good. Yeah, okay, so guys, go to back. Yeah, that's really simple, right? Okay, so guys, now next one. So guys, fold this emitter and go to physical and guys air. See guys, that's my wind and wind. So guys, wind Z1 I like minus 500. Yeah, and go to back. Yeah, see guys, that's really good, right? It's really simple animation guys. Okay, so guys, next one I apply aux effect. So go to back and fold. Guys, go to aux system and emit use continuously. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so now guys, see that's my particles guys 500. Yeah, I like 500. Okay, so guys, see that's my life second I like guys randomly like 4 is good for me. And yes, see, right? Okay, so now guys, see that's my size I like guys take 1. Yes, and guys also change this one opacity overlife and presets. Guys, see that's my presets change like this. And guys, more this one size overlife same this one. Yeah, right, see. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my simple effect. And guys, see that's my color from main I like 100. Yeah, okay, so now guys, it's really good. That's my simple effect. So next one I go to particles. So go on here particle and guys, see that's my life I take like 5 is good. So yeah, so guys, go to size and size I like 0. See guys, that's my size and I take 0. Yeah, it's good, it's beautiful, right? Okay, so now guys, I change color. So for color, set color I like overlife this one. And guys, go to color overlife. You can take any color presets, but guys, I like this one. Yeah, I like this one, right? You can take anyone, it's dependent on your concepts. So but I like this one. Okay, so now guys, this time I create some waving effect. So go to here aux and guys, see that's my physical and turbulence position I like 10 is good. Yeah, it's good. See guys, that's my like wave effects, right? Okay, so go to back and play. Okay, so guys, now it's take little bit time for rendering. So stop and go to more frames like this. Yeah, it's beautiful. See. Okay, so see guys, that's my first effect. That's my first particle effect. And now I create second one. So select this particle 1 and duplicate, Control D and rename like particle 2. Yeah, simple guys, right? Okay, so guys, I change some setting on aux system, this one. So guys, see, that's my particle 500 and change to like 300 decrease. And guys, see, that's my life seconds I like 2. And most important part, particle velocity I like 50. Yeah, see, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I change some setting on more. So guys, see, that's my opacity, this one I like 100. Yes, and opacity random like 50 is good. Yes. Okay, so guys, same. So go to on first layer, first one, particle 1. So guys, go to on here, opacity of like fold and fold, yeah. And see guys, that's my opacity, 50 is good. Opacity random, I like same 50. Yeah, it's good, right? So guys, see, that's my simple effect. That's my second particle. I show you. See guys, that's my second particle and it's my first one, right? Okay, so next one guys, I apply beautiful glow effect. So guys, I take new solid layer, layer name, color is good. So press OK and guys, see, that's my motion and click. Yeah, so guys, I take this time this one, star glow. Yeah, it's good. And guys, see, boost light I like, guys, take 2. Yeah, and next one guys, I apply glow effect. So apply glow, select this glow and apply on here. Yes, and guys, threshold I like 100, radius 100 and intensity I like 4 is good. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my stroke length I like 5. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, now you can also change frame like this. It's my beautiful color effect. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, next one. So guys, it's really good now. So guys, I take one more light effect. So take new solid layer and layer name light. So press OK and guys, go on here, effects and use optical flare. So click on option and increase size. So go to presets. Guys, you can use any light like this. It's good. And guys, go on here and change. Guys, this time add. And yeah, guys, I also change brightness. I like 50 is good. 50. Yeah. So guys, duplicate this light. Press Ctrl D and select this light. Apply on left side. Yeah, it's beautiful guys. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. That's my really good animation effect, particles. So play, it's take little bit time for rendering. So guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.